Remote control specification and working. Power on-off button. Fan speed up/down button. 11 speed FL to FH, FL, lowest, low/quiet, FH, highest speed. Humidity controller, working of pump, C0 to 0 minutes/5 minutes, C1 to 1 minute/5 minutes, C2 2 minutes/5 minutes, C3 3 minutes/5 minutes, C4 4 minutes/5 minutes, C5 5 minutes/5 minutes. Sleep button. The sleep button is functional only when the fan speed is set to F5 or higher. Fan speed will automatically step down every 45 minutes till F5. Pre-cool and auto-shut button. Pre-cool, pump starts initially, with cooler starting 5 minutes thereafter. Auto-shut, pump shuts initially, with cooler shuts 5 minutes thereafter. Fan blade swing on-off. Button, a 0 still position, a 1 swing blade. Timer on-off button up to 9 hours.